Kishoriganj ML Model High School online class. Dear students, how are you? I hope all are well by the grace of Allah. I am also well. Thank you. Before starting my class, I introduce myself. My name is Jayarani, assistant teacher in English, Kishoriganj ML Model High School, Kishoriganj, Nilphamari. You know, this is the time of COVID-19 and all are staying at home to save from coronavirus. So, dear students, be sit down, take your notebooks and textbooks in front on mobile, smart mobile phone, quickly. Okay, in the previous class, we discussed about Unit 3 Lesson 5, Independence Day. From the previous class, we learned about Independence Day. And then I took you a homework. I hope all are finished the homework. And now let's read out the next lesson. Lesson 6. Before starting my lesson, we all are guesses. What is the title of the passage today? Please, dear students, think. Now, what lesson I read to you? Think what is the title in this. To help you, I have given you some clues or some sentences. Please look at the whiteboard. Look at the whiteboard as first clues. It is the first day. It is the first day of Bengal years. It is the first day of Bangla year, new year, Bangla new year. Okay, dear students, this is the first option to help you to identify the title. Now try again, think more. You can guess. You don't guess. Okay, the second option that you can help you. It is a part of Bengali culture. It is a part of Bengali culture and tradition. Dear students, now you can guess what is the title. Today's we will learn. It is a part of Bengali culture and tradition. Not guesses. Okay. And last option. You must be tried to identify the title. In the last I can help you. The option, in this day, in squares, in this day, in squares, people, in this day, in squares, people to start, okay? That means to start life with new hopes, and aspirations. Now, dear students, you get more sentences or options to identify the title. Okay, absolutely right. Now your guess is the right title. Okay, dear students, you say this is Pohela Boishakh. Thank you. This is Pohela Boishakh. Today's our topic is Pohela Boishakh. Today's our topic is Pohela Boishakh. Pohela Boishakh. Thank you. Today's our topic is Pohela Boishakh. Now, dear students, you open your textbook, page number 38. Here you can find a picture. What do you see here? Here you can find a picture. Dear students, please open your textbook, page 38. In the picture, thank you. In the picture, young people are seen wearing traditional dresses. They are sitting in rows under a tree. Thank you. Dear students, you guess absolutely right. Then the another question is, where do you think the picture was about? In the first question, we find here number A. One is, what's the picture about? What's the picture about? In the picture, young people are seen wearing traditional dresses. They are sitting on the rows under a tree. Thank you. Now, the second question, here we can find, where do you think the picture was about? Where? In the second question, here, where do you think the picture was taken? Dear students, you can guess. In your textbook, here you can find 38 page. The second question right there, Where do you think the picture was about? Guesses. You can guesses. Oh, sure. You say that you think in the picture it is Ramana Bhat Mall in Dhaka. Okay, thank you. You are absolutely right. It was taken at the Ramana Bhat Mall in Dhaka. Thank you. Dear students, now in the next question, here arise in the next question, what was the people doing? What was the people doing? What was the people doing? Now we can say about this question, about the question and guesses. You guess it is situated, said that the picture was taken at Ramana Bhat Mall in Dhaka. In the third question, what was the people in the picture doing? You think the people here are performing at a cultural program. Thank you. The people here are performing at a cultural program. Thanks a lot. Now, dear students, please read the passage silently at home and carefully. You must know about the meaning of the words. Then you can understand the passage. Read the passage again. Pohela Boishakh is the first day of Bangla New Year. The day is a public holiday. This day has a special significance for us as it is a part of Bengali culture and tradition. People from walk of life, irrespective of their ethnic identity or religious belief, celebrate the day with traditional festivities. On this day, the whole of Bangladesh is in a festive mode. The day inspires people to start life with renewed hopes and inspiration. Dear students, you have understood what the meaning of this para. If you don't understand, please comment in the class and know the meaning of these new words. You can help to use a dictionary to meaning of the words. Now, the second para is every year the day is celebrated traditionally. People wake up early in the morning, have a bath and wear traditional clothes. Women wear white sarees with red borders and adorn themselves with colorful churis and flowers, while men dress themselves in Punjabis and pajamas. It is a day when people love eating traditional food. In this way, you can read this passage at home carefully and you must understand the meaning of the words. Then you can understand the passage. What we can observe our celebration, our Pohela Boishakh. Okay, dear students, you read carefully at home and note to help dictionary to use dictionary to know the unknown words meaning of the passage. I hope all the students will read at home carefully and attentively and be careful to Know the unknown word to use a dictionary. I hope everybody have a dictionary and you must find out the unknown word to use dictionary. Okay, dear students. Now we going through the next number C. Here we can find some questions and answer the questions in yourself. Please try in 2 minutes. You can get in 2 minutes to answer all the questions. Here we can find in 3 questions and try to meaning of the questions and answer the questions. Please, you have got only 2 minutes. Don't make a sound, Riddhi. I have taken a class. Please. Here we can find 3 questions. Number 1 questions. You can find it in your textbook. Page 40. 40. Open the page number 40 and you can see the questions. 3 questions. Number 1 questions. Here we can find, do you go out the morning of Poila Boishakh? If you do, where do you go? If not, what do you do? Here we can find number 1 questions. Number 1, do you go out in the morning of Pohila Boishakh? Pohila Boishakh. If you do, where do you go? Where do you go? If not, what do you do? I hope all the students we understood the meaning of this question and must be answered. Here I again read the questions. Do you go out in the morning of Poila Boishakh? If you do, where do you go? If not, what do you do? Oh, you say yes. Where do you go? You go to Dhaka University area in that morning. Thank you, and you enjoy the cultural programs there. Okay, thank you. You are absolutely correct. If you do not go, you stay at home. Okay, this is another question. And in the another question, we find what kind of food do you eat in the morning of Pohila Boishakh? Number 2 question, what kind of food do you eat in the morning of Pohila Boishakh? Pohila Boishakh. Dear students, you must try again. In the next question, what kind of food do you eat in the morning of Pohila Boishak, you try and write down in your note khata and then answer. Or you write down. Thank you. Answer the question. You say that you eat hilsa and panta. Okay, thank you. I am also eat in this day. Thanks a lot. Now, number 3, the question here you can find number 3 question. Please try and say the answer. Number 3 questions. Do you wear any special clothes on the occasion? Number 3. Do you wear any special clothes on this occasion? Dear students, in the third question you can write answer. Do you wear any special cloth on this occasion? I hope all are be new thoughts, new minds, new enjoyment, new expression to enjoy the day, to forget all the misery in the past, and they start their life in future in this day. Oh, you say yes, you wear Punjabi and pajama. Oh, Sheila, you wear white sari with red border. Thank you. You absolutely right. In this day, all people, men are wear Punjabi and pajama. This is our Bengali culture and tradition. And women are wear white sari with red border. Thank you. You have enjoyed this day very deliciously. Okay, the students, you already know about your occasion, Pohila Boishak. You enjoy much, I think. Then if you read the passage again and again, then you can answer in the next question, number D. Complete the passage with suitable words. Complete the passage with suitable words. You can find the completing. This is in the page 40. Please find out and try again in 2 minutes. Fill in the blanks with your suitable words after reading this passage. Dear students, please try. Okay, dear students, you have finished the homework already in the previous class, and here I am also have got another homework at your home. After discussing the completing sentence, here yes, it say the first gap is answer is the word Pohila means the first, and Boishak is the first month. Okay, the first answer is first. You are absolutely right. Month of Bangla calendar. Thank you. The second, the day is observed. The day is observed not only in Bangladesh but also in some other parts of the world. Okay, thank you. The next, not only but also. Not only dot but also. Thank you. It is celebrated in West Bengal, Assam and Tripura. It is also celebrated. It is also celebrated. Thank you. It is also celebrated. You can say this is absolutely right. Celebrated. Celebrated. It is also celebrated in Australia and the UK. Yes, dear students, you said the right answer. Then another, in Australia, the largest festival for Bangla New Year is the Sydney. You say, in Australia, the largest festival for Bangla New Year is the Sydney Boishakhi Mela held near Sydney Olympic Park. Okay, thank you. Then another festival and another is near. Okay, thank you. Near Sydney Olympic Park. In England, the Bengalis generally celebrate the day with a street in London. It is the largest Asian festival in Europe. Then another, generally largest. Okay, thank you. In the next answer you can write down at your note khata at home. Now I have got you a homework. You please write at home, and after reading this passage very carefully and attentively, there number E, here we find that describe your own cultural or religious festival that you celebrate. You can use the following words. You can also use other words relevant to the festival. Here we can see some words that you can help to make a sentence to write the passage. Okay, dear students, here the words are colorful, special, traditional, religious, dance, cultural, flowers, food, songs, festive. Dear students, these are words that helps you to write the passage. Relevant words. You can use another words to fill out your passage. Okay, dear students, thank you, and remind you must stay at home and wash your hand after go out, and must wear mask in your mouth and take a social distance between one another. You must be careful or to health or maintain a hygiene at home. All are hope to remove this Major Year's Day as soon as possible. Okay, thank you. We see in the next class. See you again. Okay, thanks a lot, dear student.